Today, we will share rice flour and egg mask for hair straightening. Hello and welcome back to our channel. You are watching 6 well-known ways to straighten your hair naturally, part 6. As promised in our previous video, we are here to share our last, but not the least, homemade remedy for hair straightening with you. That is, rice flour and egg mask. For this remedy, you will need 1 egg white, 5 tablespoons rice flour, 1 cup Fuller's Earth, and 1/4 cup milk. Now, what you have to do is combine the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. You can add more milk in case the mixture is too thick, and more Fuller's Earth if it is too thin. Cover your hair with the mask, and leave the mask on for about an hour. Finally, rinse with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, you have to repeat this method once a week. Now the question is, how and why this remedy will work? So, here is the answer to the question. All the ingredients in this pack work together to eliminate buildup and leave your hair feeling smooth and squeaky clean. The pack nourishes your hair, eliminates dirt, and repairs damage, giving it a healthy and straight look. Now that you know how to naturally straighten your hair at home, what are you waiting for? With these home remedies, you can say goodbye to frizzy hair and welcome straighter, softer, and healthier hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.